Hey guys, I thought I'd give you a little video of how I solder LED, surface mount LEDs for lights. The little tiny ones. They're 0805 size. Extremely small. So we first get the little guy out and use masking tape to hold it in place while I solder it. Since they are so small, kind of put it over to the side there, stick it to the tape, and then I take a little flux, not the proper flux, but I do anyway, and just barely touch it on 2 little tabs. And then I take my little pliers, or wire strippers, and pull off the end of the negative there. Kind of stick the 2 wires in the flux like so, and then grab my soldering iron and put a very small dab solder on the end, and for 1 little second just tap the little pads on the LEDs, and that's all you have to do. And then do the same, a little touch of solder on each wire, and there's an arrow on the back of this little LED, and the arrow points to the negative. And then for 1 little touch, this one doesn't want to work right. Of course it doesn't work right, I'm filming. You just tap it on there and it holds. Well, it's supposed to hold anyway. It likes to keep coming off the tape once the wire's on there. Probably should have a little more stickier tape. And then do the same like that for the other wire. Just have to touch them, and then they are both soldered on, just like that. And then I just bend it over a little bit. Make sure you get the tweezers for that, since it's so small. Just bend it, and I've already soldered on 2 larger wires to connect to the main bus for the power. So then I just pull it through like that, and then I get the little top, and it goes on like that. A little ABS glue, just dab a little glue like that on there, and glue the top back on. And that's how I change the LEDs from those, or I should say, rice bulbs to LEDs. Short and simple.